I see less shop of it, you are liable to the same offense. That second offense, that's another 20 billion. First offense of you not opening a USC here is 20 million. Okay? The offense of you going to now unseal it is another. I need the letter. Each every Monday, they can on Wednesday na Monday, all them one, no problem. Every Monday, each other in the court. I beg you obey. Each other can make and all the losses. We make a plea bargain, a point between maybe we will agree on the amount, but not less than 5 million, 5 to 10 million. They say the reason the markets are very great import to us is that commerce is the dominant sector of our economy. Nobody will be allowed to cripple the commercial activities.
Igbo Igbo ekenekwa m n'ebe ndị manjem unu mana ebe anụ nna like ịgwa ndị Igbo bayi nke bụ eziokwu na my problem bụ na nkwụcha ụfọdụ ndị Igbo ya anaghị like ige ntị mana onwe ihe ome nka ya na-ekwu eziokwu onye edubi achọrọ m ka ngosi unu one particular video mee Vice President mee open confession. Vice President Shettima mee open confession well indirect wee gwa anyị the reason why yana ona ha like ona ha na yeti onu ihe na-eme na Nigeria and the reason why ihe na-eme ndukọ gbasa ha because even him himself it has to get watch a video inwe video nwe post nsi voice note leak na asị na ndị Arewa amago na ndị Arewa na asị na gbasa ha na ndị Fulani no those kind of thing na they have the Arewa say union na form okay with the fraud or the men indigenous from the Hausa. This is the Vice President also confirming it. Also indirect way again. Why the reason why Hana like it in Nigeria because now a lot of people are against them. So however we position in Nigeria everywhere when they making it. We na bagala bikono. And then this video.
Suspicion smears our relationships, and it ought not to be. We are essentially one people tied to a common destiny. And lastly, permit me to pay tribute to President Tinubu on a similar episode. When we were campaigning for him to emerge as the aspirant of the APC, we were going round the north. You know, we the people of Borno, unlike the Sokoto people, we are the best dressed northerners. So, you know, so I got some Wagambali materials and caps for him to blend with the northern crowd. So it fitted him very well. So his aide was saying, please produce more. It fitted him. Barely 3 months when we were sworn into office, some of my people from Borno came to him and said, please stop wearing those Shettima clothes. He must have charmed them, and you are going to die, and he will become the president. Just barely 3 months, and to the eternal credit of the president. When I came back from China, where I represented him at the Bells and Roads Initiative conference, he said, sit down. Your people came to me and said, I should stop wearing those braces you gave me. But he said their story did not add up, because when you gave me those braces, I was an aspirant. I wasn't the candidate. Neither were you the vice presidential candidate. For 1 week, to prove to them that he is not pettish, he wore those braces. These are some of the gimmicks that is taking place in power cycles in Nigeria nowadays. I want to thank you. Baba, Mona Alpari Dake, we are very, very proud of you. Keep on building bridges, and may you live long. May we witness your 100th birthday and 120th birthday celebration. Long live the Republic of Nigeria. Long live. Thank you.
Thank you, Mami, in this go nabo video. Now, una forget him in US na these people does not care. Just know, muchike na anyage for 1 minute. Imagine wa obulu no onye Igbo no ọchịchị. Odi ha nwa na-eme na Nigeria wee na-eme. just Kennedy's video. Imagine ya for 1 minute. No bro no onye Igbo no cheche all these things na-eme. Imanye ka na-eme na Nigeria kita. Ndị Hausa na-eme protest jụ na ugwu Hausa. Ndị Yoruba na-eme protest. Ndị Igbo na-eme protest. Ebe a ka ya amalo most of the people na identify as Ndị Igbo today will never open their mouth and identify as Ndị Igbo today because they believe that the person not there has automatically failed them. Na be here we na-ekwukwa ka na-ekwu nwesi oke ka m tụgharịa ihu na the other side nwefu video Soludo me. Soludo si na ya gbaka aka ọnụ mere ka anyụ mamele ka ọgbọ ọfụ maka na ihe insecurity damage go na ana Igbo anyị kalile na-eme business ndị mmadụ niile ọ na-aga afa ọ na-adazizi ada. Onwe mgbe m kwuru gosi na the reason why Soludo ji epụta wee sị ka ọ kwụsị sit at home that na in my own understanding, in my own thinking, that I feel that it was actually a trap in order to create unrest na nearby. Gini menjiwe kwea is a trap in the sense that na obulu na Soludo kunya boku. Some people making baby can't tire based on no too gentle on do to any other movement that is agitating for Biafra where Semba Soludo ama mayor gini. However, is that thing you born an avenue for the Hausa invade and nearby. You could me categorically in my video. Now, uno emepego ahia uno si no Monday but the problem. Emepe Monday. Why also saying that na insecurity but the problem business jana na nearby? Konoboro tax unu wele poju everywhere. Jene Bonny stage today tax ana kwa say business owner kalele. The only state in Magwagi na-ekute 2 men were Abia State. The only state na-ekute 2 men na Southeast bụ Abia State. Okay, ebe unu si na insecurity na-emere business or whether ewe invoke kwa wee si unu okay, wele na sit at home nwanne m udochia, still unu ka na complain. What then is the problem unu like unu chọrọ na igba? Biko no do na video Soludo unu na-echazia. Onwe sikwa ihe ọbụla unu ghọta tila na ya na comment section. Ka ọ dịkwa.
Over the past 5 years, I heard about something befell Cleveland. Something befell us. Unfortunately, our wildlife actually brought it up. Our wildlife actually brought it up. And there we are. That's criminals at home, which everybody agrees. I don't know, it's the most foolish thing ever for anybody to ever contemplate. Just like somebody who went to a meeting and felt that somebody annoyed him in a meeting and they rush back home and tell lock your family down and say your family should not eat. But somebody annoyed you at your meeting. Who are you punishing? Who? You're punishing yourself. Businesses have been left the Southeast. Businesses left. That's how we do. Many, I'm sure you know many businesses, people who close their shop are relocated to either Lagos, Abuja, and so on and so forth, true or false? Yes. Many of the customers that used to come from far and near stopped coming. I don't want to talk about some cities, not in Anambra. Well, several people who used to produce certain kinds of stuff, I don't want to mention it. They closed shop and they're now, riding our car, doing this and so. And who are you riding? People are running away. But finally, I think we'll reach the point where we'll say enough is, we have to begin to pick. We have begun to pick the pieces back. At least from a security point of view, we can say that Anambra is back. We must position our markets to be so attractive and the preferred place for people to come from all over the country of West Africa to shop. And people must shop with comfort, with ease, with pleasure.